DWAM 1206 AM, the future of AM radio. Bringing you the latest hits, breaking news, and timeless classics from yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Where innovation meets tradition and the airwaves come alive. Broadcasting 24/7, redefining the AM radio experience. D1 1206 AM, your station, your future.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
This is the music where it takes you back to the moment closest to your heart. Together with the Sting, Terence Can, from timeless classics to latest hits. Let's tune in to the world of music, to the decades of sound.
You just heard the music of Sonia, Dada, and Lower. The G-Funk remix right there at 15 minutes past the hour of 7 o'clock. Good evening, Metro Manila. It's Friday night, and you know what that means. Thank God it's Friday. You're tuned into the 1206 AM with the Sting, and welcome to Decades of Sound, from classics to now. I've got 2 hours of non-stop dance hits to kick off your weekend and keep the energy flowing. Whether you're headed out for a night out or just chilling at home, let's turn this Friday night into a party. Let's celebrate this weekend and get things moving. This is the 1206 AM. Metro Manila's premier dance mix station. This is the one and only station for you guys. The 1206 AM remix of Amazing by George Michael. The original was already a feel-good anthem. And this remix from G-Funk, that's right, just cranked up the energy even more with George Michael's unmistakable voice and the infectious beats. It's a perfect mix to keep the vibe alive and kicking. Whether you're on the dance floor or just grooving along, this track always lives up to its name. Truly amazing. That's right. Now we got to greet our friends who are engaging with us on our Facebook page. Happy Friday night to DJ Sting. Thanks a lot, John Zachary Alvarez. Also, Arnel Inagan is present tonight. Happy Friday the 13th to you as well. Actually, the number 13 for me is my lucky number. Yeah, because I've been working with IBC since 1994. So do the math. Also to Adrian Paul Canosa. How you doing, buddy? It's so great to see you here. Thanks a lot for keeping me company. Also to Dodoy Erwin Francilio. Pakigreet kami dito sa Bagong Barrio. Nakikinig sila sa D1 1206 AM. That's coming from Felix Berto Francilio. How you doing, Felix? And to Dodoy, thank you so much for enjoying the music. Also to Gab Pereras, good evening to you as well. I'll be taking a quick short break, but when I come back, I think Bee Gees is coming up next to make you dance. So keep it right here with the Sting on the 1206 AM, the future of AM radio. Spinning on the ones and twos, it's the Sting of the 1206 AM. And we're back right here on the 1206 AM at 44 minutes past the hour of 7 o'clock. I changed my mind. Let's play Erasure instead. Saying hi and hello to Von Philip Perez. He's listening over in Montalban, Rizal. And please play Magic Carpet Ride and Selfish. I'll play Selfish a little later. Also to Noims Reyes. How you doing, Noims? And Tess Marcilia, our TikTok star. This is the Sting. And I'm on till 9 o'clock in the evening. Happy Friday, everyone. Strange Love by Depeche Mode, taking us deep into the dark, synth-filled 80s sound we know and love. Depeche Mode never fails to blend emotion with electronic beats, and this track is no different, capturing that intense, complicated feeling of love that's anything but ordinary. It's a fan favorite for a reason. You're tuned in to the 1206 AM. Now we've got to greet our friends who are engaging with us on our social media sites. And do please share our live stream. Thank you very much, everyone. Shout out to the main man, the boss, the best boss there is, Sir Mark Logan. I know you're tuned in. Thanks a lot, sir, for boosting our morals every day. You truly are one of a kind. And I am so proud to be working with you till the end. I promise you that. Also, to Arnel Mendoza, how you doing? To Noims Reyes, Romeo Ruga, Michael Joseph Ramos Briones, Judith Zapanta Jose, and who else? Jose Ariate Buban. Shout out to the Buban clan. How you doing, clan? Your master is with me. The master, the audio tech master. The master of all supremes. Mr. Jose Buban. Always here with me, helping me out. Thank you so much. And it is now exactly 8 o'clock straight up. Stay tuned, stay glued. Gabby Natividad is coming up next to give you her news alert. So stay right here on The Zone, because when I come back, more hits coming your way. I'm on till 9 o'clock in the evening. Thank God it's Friday. Happy 13th. Happy Friday the 13th, everyone. D1 1206 News Alert.
Ratsada muna ng maiinit na balitang kailangan yung malaman. Ako po si Gabby Natividad. Magandang gabi. Hinaina na ng Kongreso ngayong Biyernes si former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque ng arrest order ayon kay House Secretary General Reginald Velasco. Maaalalang ilang beses nang sinight in contempt si Roque at na-detain na rin ng House Quad Committee nitong Huwebes matapos nitong mabigong makapagsumite ng mga hinihinging dokumento sa kanya ng komite. Ang mga dokumentong ito ay para sa nagpapatuloy na investigasyon ng Quad Committee sa koneksyon ng ilang mga kawani ng gobyerno sa operasyon ng iligal na pogo. Kabilang dito si Roque. Ang arrest warrant na ito kay Roque ay epektibo na ayon kay Surigao del Norte Representative at House Committee on Dangerous Drugs Chairperson Ace Barbers. Ni-raid at sinara naman ng National Capital Region Police Office o NCRPO ang isang opisinang gumagawa ng mga peking dokumento sa Sampaloc, Manila. Base sa kanilang datos, ang mga dokumentong pinipeke ng naturang opisina ay mga identification cards at mga pasaporte. Karamihan pa umano sa mga parokyano nito ay mga Chinese nationals, habang ang iba naman ay mga Pilipinong nagtatrabaho sa mga pogo companies sa bansa. 6 sa mga naaresto ng NCRPO mula sa paggawaan ng peking IDs at mahaharap ang mga 6 na ito sa kasong falsifying public documents. Patuloy naman ang investigasyon ng kapulisan sa mga tumulong sa paggawaang ito ng peking IDs at passports. Sa atin naman pong ulat panahon, pumasok na sa Philippine Area of Responsibility o PAR ang Tropical Storm Bibingka. Nakapasok ito sa PAR bandang alas 6 ng gabi at pinangalan ng Bagyong Ferdy. Ayon sa Pag-asa Weather Specialist Ana Cloren Jorda, may hangin nitong 85 kilometers per hour at pagbugsong 105 kilometers per hour. Sa susunod na 24 oras, ang Bagyong Ferdy na pinalakas ng hanging habagat ay magdadala ng tuloy-tuloy na pag-ulan sa Mimaropa, Western Visayas, Sorsogon, Masbate at Negros Occidental. Magdadala rin ang Bagyong Ferdy at habagat ng pagbugso-bugsong pag-ulan sa Negros Island Region at natitirang bahagi ng Bicol Region. Maulap na panahon na may bahagyang pag-ulan naman ang mararanasan sa Metro Manila, Mindanao, Calabarzon at natitirang bahagi ng Visayas at Luzon. Inaasahan ang pagbaha at pagguho ng lupa, bunsod ng masamang panahon. Nakatakda namang lumabas ng Philippine Area of Responsibility ang Bagyong Ferdy bukas. At yan ang ratsyada ng may init na balitang kailangan niyong malaman. Manatiling nakatutok sa ating mga social media accounts para sa updates. Ako po si Gabi Natividad. Magandang gabi.
D1 1206 News Alert. You're listening to Decades of Sound. Classics to now. Here on D1 1206 AM. The future of AM radio. Metro Manila's premier dance mix station. We are live right now on YouTube. We're having problems on our Facebook channel. But don't you worry. We're still streaming live on our YouTube channel. And the song that you heard from Beanie goes out to Eloisa Buban. How you doing, Eloisa? I know you're smiling right now. And your better half is saying, I love you. Yes. And see you daw later. Teka, bat ka na daw. More hits right here. Ellie Goulding, Love Me Like You Do. Metro Manila's premier dance mix station. This is the 1206 AM. Sorry about the feedback. We're all excited here. At 57 minutes past the hour of 8 o'clock. That's it for tonight's Decades of Sound. From classics to now, I hope those dance hits got your Friday night started off right and set the tone for an amazing weekend. Thanks for hanging out with me. It's always a blast. Up next, don't go anywhere. Overthoughts with Sam and Joe are coming up with some lively conversation. This is the Sting. Now saying bye for now. Catch me again next week, same time, same channel. Right here, and keep it locked in. Only here on the 1206 AM. Happy weekend, everyone. Peace out. Leaving you with my last song, Traffic from Tiesto.